Hey guys, I'm in the car right now. I'm kind of having trouble talking because my expander. And there's a lot of trees down and our power's out, so I might not be doing a lot of videos because there's a lot of trees down and because it's a hurricane and it's just been horrible. There's a lot of trees down and the road and all that. So yeah, bye.